This is the 4-inch tape that I purchased on Amazon from Mr. Shrink, and I use this to tape up all the seams that's on the plastic. Okay, I use these vents after I get the plastic all shrink wrapped nice and tight. I use 2 vents on each side, a total of 4, and they're got an adhesive backing where you just peel that off and stick it on, and then you can also pull the lid off and cut the opening out so that the pontoon will breathe during the winter time. Okay, this is the tools that I use to shrink the plastic. Yeah, it's purchased on Amazon and from Mr. Shrink, and also everything you need. Even also there's an optional extension where you can reach the top of the pontoon boat, so you can shrink that also. It's a complete kit. All you need is some LP.